The local 7-digit telephone numbers in Inverness, California have 669 as the first 3 digits. How many different telephone numbers are possible in Inverness? So we are trying to find the number of 7-digit telephone numbers. And before we do that, I want to talk about the difference between numbers and the number of numbers. So that's kind of a tongue twister. But let's say I write up the numbers 4, 5, and 6 and ask you how many numbers are here. You would say that this is 3 different numbers, or we have 3 different options. So looking at the telephone number, and I'm going to jump to the 4th digit. This 4th digit can either be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So how many numbers do we have here? How many options do we have? There are 10 numbers here. So we have 10 different options. And that's the same for the last 3 digits. Okay, let's look at the first 3 digits. They say that they have 669 as the first 3 digits. So the first digit has to be a 6, but how many numbers is the 6? Or how many options is that? That's just one option. So I don't put 6 here because that would mean I have 6 choices. I put 1 there because I only have 1 choice. The number itself has to be a 6. And the same for the second digit. It has to be a 6, which means that's only one option. And then the third digit has to be a 9, which is only one option. So this can be kind of tricky between numbers and the number of numbers, but try to think about it as the number of options. So if we multiply 1 times 1 times 1 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, we get 10,000.